this year, I will be starting law school at Yale Law School, and I'll be there for the next 3 years. For me, one of the amazing opportunities I had at Ohio State was to study history and really focus my interest on American constitutional history. I pursued that interest under Professor Stebbin, and I was really able to learn more about the American Constitution and the history behind it, which nurtured my interest in history. One of the reasons the history major is so well suited for those pursuing law school and who have an interest in law is that the foundational skills that you gain as a history major are really the same foundational skills that you need as a law student and as a lawyer. Namely, you are constantly researching your area of interest within history, you're constantly writing about it, and your history professors are taking the time to really examine your writing and help you make it better. And at first, it can be intimidating to have someone kind of go in and tear up all your writing. But one of the things I found over time is that my writing drastically improved during the course of my time here as a history major, and my research abilities, because you're constantly having to research a number of different topics and research a number of different areas within a given topic, whether it's the economics, the politics, the culture of a particular time period or of a particular society. And as a lawyer and as a law student, you really need to be able to research well, write well about a myriad of different issues and perspectives within a given issue. And so the foundational skills you gain as a history student are so tied to being a lawyer, and I think that's why so many students who want to pursue law find that history is a really good foundation for them. I think the relationship between historical thinking and legal reasoning is that in both, you're having to look back at past issues. In history, you're obviously looking back at a past time period, a society, a people. And in law, you're looking back at past precedents, past political issues, and cultural issues. And you're seeing how those past phenomena affect the issue you're looking at in the current time or the current question that you're evaluating. And in both cases, you're oftentimes bringing back what you're looking back to the present. In the law, you're looking at the issues that you're currently looking at, and as someone who's studying history, you find yourself constantly thinking about how the past time periods and cultures and societies that you're looking at, what they have to say about the current moment that you're in. So although I'm still very much exploring different legal interests, one place that I would love to find myself ending up in 20 years from now would be on the federal bench. I would love to be a judge, being able to think about matters constitutionally and administrative law and help make our law as a society more and more perfect.